Yealink T31 phone makes efficient use of space in this small little box that contains all of its contents. Like all Yealink phones, the first thing that you'll see is the instruction manual, and the phone is placed on top in this nice styrofoam sleeve that keeps the phone protected. Like with the other phones, cardboard flap contains the rest of the contents, including the power supply, cable, Ethernet cord, the stand, and of course the handset, which is also in its own protective sleeve. The next thing you'll need to do is plug the phone into power. So on the back of the phone, you've got a DC input, which corresponds with the plug that was provided with the phone, and the phone will now boot up. So now that the phone has power, you'll need to provide the phone with internet. The phone comes with a 6-foot Ethernet cable. So you want to take it out of the bag, and on the back of the phone actually has 2 ports, a PC port and an internet port. It's very important that you plug this into the internet port. And then this other end will go into your router or into the jack at your desk. Although the Yealink T31 is considered an entry-level desk phone, it offers a lot of great features and functions. I'll be going through some of these features and functions with you today. Like most Yealink phones, the Yealink T31 has a dial pad front and center. And below that, you'll see volume control. That can be used to control volume for speakerphone, ringer volume, and in-call volume. To the right of the keypad, you'll see a set of navigation keys, which consist of an up, down, left, right button with an OK button in the center. And below that, you'll see a set of shortcut feature keys. If you look up from the dial pad, you'll notice there are 4 unlabeled keys sitting right below the LCD screen. These are known as soft keys. And the LCD screen will actually present a label depending on exactly what you're doing at any given time. For instance, if you're on a call, these keys will be hold or toggle between different calls or conference call. Right now they show history, directory, DND, and menu. DND is do not disturb. So if you'll notice, the LCD screen is not currently backlit. If you press one of the buttons, for instance the menu button, the phone immediately becomes backlit. And you can access through the menu button a series of different menu items: history, directory, status, features, settings, messages, and a few other things. Exit out of there. So if you press the DND key, you'll see a little DND icon show up in the upper right-hand corner. This puts the phone into do not disturb mode, which obviously means the phone won't ring and nobody can reach you until you turn DND off. Below the navigation keys, you'll see a set of 6 shortcut feature keys. The first one is mute, so if you're on a call, you can press that button and your caller won't be able to hear you until you hit it again. The next button is your voicemail shortcut button. So if you have a voicemail indicated by an icon on the LCD screen, you can press that button and it'll automatically connect you to your voicemail. The next button is transfer. Transfer is basically transferring a current call to any other extension in the office. When on a call, you touch that button, then dial the extension number of the extension you'd like to transfer the call to, and hit it again and hang up. The next button is your headset key. If you touch that button and you have a headset connected, you'll toggle over to headset audio. This button here is the redial button. And then finally, your speakerphone button, which basically turns the phone into a speakerphone. Thanks for joining us today. We'll be back soon with another video. Brought to you by SoundCurve, your trusted provider for business VoIP service.